Hi, BPTH, which is Bachelor's of Physiotherapy का admission counseling process is finally going to start. The schedule is out, so to know more information about it, keep watching this video. Let's go. Hello everyone, hi, I'm Prapti, a first year physiotherapy student, and welcome back to the most important and the most asked question के answer का video. So basically, the schedule for the counseling process of physiotherapy is now finally out. And पहले registration process फिर cap 1 and cap 2 cap 2 तक का schedule दिया है. It is given by on it is like present on the CET website. I'll be showing you all properly in detail. ऐसे schedule आया है, what does every step, every timeline mean, and what are you all supposed to do at that timeline. So if you're interested who wants to take admission in physiotherapy, then this video is definitely for you. And before we go further, I really want to take a moment and just subscribe. Ask you all to subscribe to my channel below because this is just the beginning. There is like an entire process ahead, and I am there in every process with you also. You will get proper latest updates and all the right information. And I am a first year student yet, so I just went through the entire process last year. And kind of it is similar, only I did not find any major changes. So I would be the best person who can guide you on this entire procedure as well. So I feel, yeah, without any further ado, I'll start screen sharing and show you all the exact schedule on how. So before I begin, actually ये schedule आज आया है, but like I saw it last year also that they generate one schedule and near the timeline they'll extend the days, delay and everything. तो वो reschedule होते रहता है. So for that you need to check the official website जो मैं तुम लोगों को भी दिखाती हूँ where did I find this notice and where you all can also find it. So yeah, let's get started. They'll say the admission and everything will start. So you click here on the first one, admission portal for academic year 2025-26, and then scrolling down you go towards the NEET UG section. And here you can see now, here firstly this box we have the news. This is not very important, and this is the important box, the notification box hai, because इसमें you will get all the important information. So as you can see from the start we have been seeing पहले MBBS का हुआ था. Now finally for group C courses it has come. Notice number 14 if you see, schedule for CAP round 1 and 2 for allied courses group C. So and now we will open this PDF. I have downloaded it and kept it. One second. Okay. So this is the schedule that has come. So let me open the new one PDF. Okay, like you saw, this is the PDF that we have gotten. So firstly, starting with the most important thing, कि all of y'all know कि state Maharashtra entrance cell will take this entire examination. Okay, so starting now with the main thing. So the admission, as we all know, is taken by state common entrance test. वो CT cell है वो. So this entire thing is like the schedule actually came on 26th of August on the CT key website, which we can see. So this is notice number 11, NEET UG 2024. So now this is the schedule for CAP round 1 and 2. So as all of us might know that we have, so all of us might know we have CAP round 1 to the total 1. We also have IQ quota, which we will talk later in some video. But basically this to इस वाली PDF में we have schedule of CAP round 1 and CAP round 2 only. Now group C आता है. First is of course physiotherapy BPTH. Then we also have occupational therapy, which is BOTH. Then you have audio speech language BASLP. Then we have prosthetic and orthodontic BPNO, naturopathy, yogic science. These are all the UG courses that come under the group C courses. So now I don't think this information is anything important. It just says that the online the admission will be conducted for cap round 1 and 2. So now as you can see cap round 1 and 2 schedule is given here. Courses online registration अपने किया है. So firstly here they have given you the time to register if you still have not registered. So from the date. Okay, so now starting with this table. So firstly, here in this section, they have given you all the time for what to register again in case you all have still not registered. You can register from 1st of September till the 4th of September. From 1st of September till the 4th of September, you all are like a can register, but if you already have registered then previously need not register again, it is not required. Then the payment and fees like जो मैंने last time बताया था that sorry last time जो मैंने बताया था it is 1,000 rupees and but if you oh god the fees is 1,000 rupees but if you have chosen MBBS then you have to pay some 5k uska and everything. So leaving this apart for physiotherapy if you are filling you have to pay some 1,000 rupees ka registration fee. A candidate will be considered as registered if the payment is done successfully. So it is very important that you make sure कि तुम्हारा payment में take आया है. Again in the registration time only you have to pay the money and uploading the documents. So I've actually made a very clear video before only on the documents that are required for submitting. But let me just give you all a overview again over here. तो पहले तो ओके पहले एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू नीट के डॉक्यूमेंट्स तो मतलब उसका So first we as we were talking the first one is NEET के related मतलब उसका admit card हो गया. You know the when you filled so you got the result also as now result हो गया. So all the documents that are related to NEET you have to submit those and take printouts of that which is admit card result and hall ticket. After that we have NEET की marksheet जो मैंने बताया result. Then you have living certificate of your college. Then the third thing you have is domicile of Maharashtra. The fourth thing that you have is your SSC ka so is mili hogi. One would be some result, one would be some passing certificate. So get that. Fifth is something related to HSC ka. So HSC ka bhi if you have done it from like if आपने CBSE से पास किया है तो you all see your result and everything but for HSC again you would have gotten to the result and the passing certificate. Then तुम लोग का कैटेगरी का जो भी है वो सब सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए. If you all have taken a drop तो गैप सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए. उसके बाद you need some photo uploading and everything. So this is overall the list of things here. Now this publication of provisional merit list of registered candidates this. So abhi if you all have properly done this entire registration process then तुम लोग का नाम एक लिस्ट में आएगा जिसको मेरिट लिस्ट बोलते हैं. तो जितने भी लोगों ने ग्रुप सी के लिए अपीयर किया होगा उन सबका नाम एक लिस्ट में आएगा which will come on 9th of November and publication of seat matrix for cap 1. So now what is seat matrix? So I'll show you all. If you all, I will not show you. You can just go and see MBBS का seat matrix. तो उसमें you basically get the list of colleges जितनी भी and then with respect to that you get to see कि seats है. So cap 1 में तो everything is vacant only. So you will get the seat intake and everything. बट जैसे 2 में जैसे फिल होता गया सो द सीट्स विल रिड्यूस तो वो सब अपडेट सीट मैट्रिक्स में तुम लोग को मिलेगा जो 11 तारीख को आएगी. Now the most important thing is over here which all of us have been waiting since so long. So online filling for cap 1. So between 12th of November till the 14th of November to 6 p.m. you are eligible to fill your choice preference. The choice preference क्या मतलब फिलिंग योर कॉलेजेस का लिस्ट कि तुम्हें कौन सी कॉलेज चाहिए, उसका पूरा तुम्हें लिस्ट भरना है ना। वो लिस्ट अगर तुम लोग ने भरा, लाइक बी वेरी माइंडफुल व्हेन यू आर फिलिंग, वॉच 10 वीडियोस, अंडरस्टैंड, विजिट कॉलेज, और स्टिल हैव टाइम टिल 12th। टुडे इज, आई विल बी अपलोडिंग दिस वीडियो ऑन 28th। उसके बाद 12th, so you all have approximately 14 to 15 days to yourself. So I genuinely want you all to visit the colleges जो तुम लोग applied are, because this is your entire career. So whatever courses you have to select abhi when you are filling the fill. So you have state quota, or if you have IQ quota. Saying there is S and IQ quota. So IQ quota ke liye they use the initial N. So when you are filling the list, for example, तुम लोग डाल रहे हो तेरना, so you will get two options, S Terna or N Terna. So you want it from state quota, you know your marks are fine, you don't want to pay extra fees. So make sure you put S Terna in the choice filling. And I'll try to make one more proper detailed video on the choice filling. Let's see. Next up, we have declaration of cap round 1 selection list. So abhi this will come on 16th of September itself. So 2 days mein you will get the list. तो इसमें तुम्हें पता चलेगा what college you have gotten. If you have put like 20 colleges. Oh, by the way, when you are doing the choice filling, so you can put unlimited colleges. There is no time limit. There is no limit. You can only put 5, 10, 20, 30. For example, there are 100 physiotherapy colleges in Maharashtra. You can put 100 of them, no issues. So, for example, 20 डाला और तुम्हें फिफ्थ, और if example तुमने सिर्फ 5 कॉलेज डाला, उसमें से you did not get any college, so you will get choice not available. So you will get this option. Here you will just come to know कि तुम्हें admission मिला है. Now after this is physical joining and filling of status retention. So for example, as I mentioned, if you got the fifth college and you know कि तुम लोग को चाहिए कि you are happy कि ठीक है ये college में लेके रख देते, then we'll see what has to be done. So you will go to that college physically, you will visit the college and take admission there. So to take admission, you will have to give all the original documents. So वो सबके original forms you have to submit over there and pay the requisite fees by DD or check. जो thing है check DD, you have to ask the college only how much they want, how much की check चाहिए, everything. DDS demand draft. This concept was new to me also, but I've understood. I'm using this for the first time. It's difficult. What is status retention form? So this means कि अगर तुम्हें fifth college मिली and you are very 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 happy with that college, so you go and fill the status retention. मतलब अगर you are not happy with this college, मतलब ठीक है मीडियम है चलेगी ये कॉलेज और something like that. So what you do, you take the physical joining, take admission, but do not fill the retention form. Which means तुम लोग का admission हुआ है but confirm नहीं हुआ. So you can still wait to go to group 2 cap 2 and see group 2 नहीं sorry cap 2 में जाके देखो कि कौन सी कॉलेज मिलती है. You look for upgradation. Okay. So now we're talking about publication of seat matrix 2 will happen on 1st of October. So abhi the time to join college basically is from from 17th of September till the 21st you can join to the college. Physical verification. Abhi for example तुम्हें एक college लगी and you don't want that college, so you don't go, don't do anything, and so you are directly eligible for cap round 2, which means you have gotten a free exit. No penalty has to be paid. So it's okay अगर group 1 में लगी तुम लोगों ने नहीं ली, it is completely fine. Okay. It is fine if it now seat matrix 2. तो अभी इसमें क्या होगा कि अभी कैप 1 में काफी लोगों ने एडमिशन लिया होगा, तो वो सब कट वट करके यू विल गेट अ न्यू लिस्ट ऑफ कॉलेजेस और उसमें कितनी कितनी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू कैटेगरी सीट्स बची है. दिस विल कम ऑन 1st of August. ये सब when you analyze you observe कि कौन सी कॉलेज में you can still get upgradation and everything. You start filling the choice filling for cap 2. अभी समझो कि तुमने cap 1 में 20 कॉलेजेस डाले, पर तुम्हें कैप 2 में 25 नहीं ऑल द चेंजेस व्हिच यू फील फॉर एग्जांपल कैप 1 में तुमने केएम पहले डाली अभी इसमें so again here you will come to know via the selection list जो 6 तारीख का है what college you have gotten and then there is physical verification so what I would suggest कि cap 2 में whatever college you have gotten get your physical joining done, but don't fill the retention form. Wait for CAP 3 college. Wait for CAP 3 college. So again here in physical joining you will take all your documents, requisite fees, DD check, etc. For that for this procedure you are given how many days? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 days. Now here for example, one second. If you have gotten one college, if you have gotten, for example, CAP 1 में you got X college, but you in CAP 2 got Y and you want Y college and तुमने X में admission नहीं भरा था. So during this time you have to first go to X college, mention that you want to cancel the admission there. So they will give you all your documents, all your money back but you need to inform them पड़ती है which is and then you will go to Y college and take the admission तो वो सब documents you will go here हम लोग का cap 2 का admission will also be done very 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 properly are you understanding the entire procedure then here cap 2 में भरा अभी इसके बाद they will give schedule for cap 3 then stray so all this is never ending this will keep going now, look here, जो मैंने तुम लोग को पहले ही बोला. The above schedule subject now the schedule might change. तो थोड़ी dates ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है, but the sequence on in which the events are taking place that won't change. All right. So here we saw schedule for cap rounds will be declared in due course. तो अभी आगे जो भी schedule होगा जो मैं so now registration and submission of preferences shall be carried out strictly as per. तो भी registration and submission shall be carried out strictly as per the schedule notified. The T भूल गया पता नहीं. तो जो ऊपर दिया है रजिस्ट्रेशन तो अगर रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं किया है डू इट प्रॉपर्ली मेक श्योर पेमेंट हुआ है डॉक्स सब फिल किए हैं देन सबमिशन ऑफ प्रेफरेंस तो अभी उसमें ना यू कैन चेंज योर प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट राइट तो उसमें देयर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ने भले प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट भर दी पर उसमें सबमिट का जो बटन है प्लीज प्रेस दैट ओनली देन योर प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट हैज गॉन अहेड कैंडिडेट्स और एडवाइजरी तो जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में दिखाया था देयर आर टू कॉलम्स नोटिफिकेशंस नोटिसेस वाला तो उसमें फर्स्ट कॉलम में इधर नीट यूजी का ब्रोशर दिया है सो आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू ऑल कि यू कैन गो थ्रू वंस एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू मोस्टली कवर ऑल द important थिंग्स बट स्टिल इफ यू वांट you can go there. The next thing is register key a month ago or something. So you need not register again. This is done. Again registration जो खुला है which is from the starting of September is for people जिसने पहले register नहीं किया. The next point candidates allotted seat must complete document पूरा जो CT cell का tie up है that is there with all the colleges. So if you see कि मैं एक दिन late जाऊंगा या एक दिन जल्दी so that won't be done. Whatever schedule they have told you for physical joining that should be followed. This is physical joining 1 which is from 17 to 21 and this is from 7 to 11. तो इसके अंदर ही you have to get all your required things done. उसके now अभी जो भी PWD के कोटा से है जो भी ये वाला पॉइंट है तो उसमें ये जो कोटा है सो यू शुड बी फ्रॉम दैट कोटा नीट के टाइम से दे शुड कम सबमिट देयर ऑनलाइन सर्टिफिकेट एनी वन ऑफ द 16 बोर्ड से इशू किया हुआ आई फील यू ऑल नो बेटर अबाउट दिस इन केस यू ऑल आर फ्रॉम देयर भी these are all the sections and everything जो बैकेट ब्रोशर के विद रिस्पेक्ट में दिया है they're just trying to say that ये सब के जो sections के है they should have all their details and everything properly ready and ये सब आईडी के नाम पे उनका सर्टिफिकेट्स एवरीथिंग शुड बी देयर सेम before submitting the same. So candidates belonging if you are from any of the reservations so you need that application form any converting we are going to reserve after submission and payment shall not be entertained. very important. So if you have put open or general category तुमने डाली है, but after the payment you want to make yourself into any reserve category, so हमारे साल में ये valid कर रहे हैं, people are submitting their documents and everything, but from now it won't be entertained. So whatever category you want पहले से डाल के रखो. NRI candidate should register on ये वाला पोर्टल. तुम लोग जब भी PDF करोगे इस पर दबाओगे तो वो खुलेगा. तो NRI तो अभी जो मैंने 15% ऊपर तुम लोग को बोला था कि एक स्टेट कोटा होता है, एक IQ होता है. स्टेट इज 85%, दिस इज 15. Should visit. So this is the website that you have to visit, जो हम visit कर रहे हैं तो इस पे. And I think इतना ही actually it is going through once again very roughly कि right say that जैसे कैप राउंड होगा ये वाले सब कोर्सेज. तो if you're interested in any of these courses you can apply here. Then firstly the online registration अगर तुम लोग का अभी तक नहीं हुआ है so you all can register from there. And then finally cap 1 will start. These are the dates it will start at this time. It will start here. अभी इधर सीट मैट्रिक्स आएगी, फिर दिस इज द फिजिकल ज्वाइनिंग का. उसके बाद कैप 2 आएगा, यहाँ पे फिजिकल ज्वाइनिंग इधर होगी. एंड आफ्टर कैप 2 कैप 3 आएगा जिसका schedule will be out, so I will let you know. And I feel that's it for the schedule wala informing wala form. And yeah, okay. And yeah, this actually brings us to end of this video. I hope you all understood each and every step very very clearly कि कभी क्या करना है. And if you all have any doubts related to anything, counseling first year, should I take anything related to physiotherapy or anything, whatever you all want to ask, let me know in the comment section below, or you all can even message me on my Instagram. It is private, but if you message me, I'll definitely do reply to you all. With that, oh, also, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A very, very important video is coming up like around 3-4 days. I'll post that video as well. So yeah, without any further ado, we will bring this video to end. And I hope your counseling process, I hope the college जो तुमने सोची है for yourself, you get that college and you don't make any errors. You rewatch this video. If you all have any doubts, let me know, because this is your entire career deciding thingy. So this should be done perfectly. This college में तुम्हें 4 साल रहना है. Sorry, अब तो तुम्हें 5 साल रहना है. Yeah, without. So yeah, this brings us to end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye.